Welcome back to Cooking in Kids Kitchen. Today in the kitchen we're going to learn how to make pizza margherita from Italy. First thing you need to do is go wash your hands. All you need to get started is 200 grams of strong white flour, 7 grams of yeast and a pinch of salt. Mix it all together. Make a well in the centre and add in 140 grams of warm water. Add in 140 milliliters of warm water. And 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Mix it together to create a wet dough. Now that our dough is done, use the same flour as you did to make the dough. Sprinkle a little bit on your bench top. Turn your dough out onto a floured surface and knead with your hands for 5 minutes. Now that our dough is smooth and elastic, put it in an oiled bowl, brush the top with oil and cover with cling film. Leave it in a warm place for 25 minutes. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Now that our dough has risen, turn it out onto a well-floured surface and divide it into 2 halves. Put 1 half back in the bowl. Now we've got half the dough, push it out from the centre to create a circle. Lift it up and quickly transfer it onto a pizza tray or a baking tray. Now spread the passata on the pizza base and top with mozzarella. Now that the oven is up to temperature, put your pizza in for 18 minutes on the middle shelf. After 18 minutes, take it out of the oven and put the basil on and then put it back in for 2 minutes. And there you have it, margherita pizza. Cut.